5. Sectoral distribution. On the basis of ownership and management, sectors are classified as private sector, public sector, and joint sector. On the basis of the nature of activities, various productive activities are mainly classified into 3 sectors. A. Primary sector. It is also called as agricultural sector. Occupations mainly based on natural resources are included in the primary sector. For example, agriculture, activities like animal husbandry, poultry farming, fisheries, forestry, mining, etc. In a developing economy like India, more than half of the population is engaged in the primary sector. B. Secondary sector. It is also called as the industrial sector. It includes occupations related to manufacturing, construction work, electricity, natural gas, water supply, etc. 3. Tertiary sector. It is also known as the service sector. It includes services like transport, communication, banking, insurance, trade, finance, health, education, hotels, entertainment, etc. Sectorial distribution of GDP in India 2011. Sectoral distribution of GDP is an index which measures the economic development of a country. In India, the contribution of secondary and tertiary sector in GDP is rising. It indicates an increase in India's economic development.